Hey guys, welcome to chrishansenbbq. Today we're doing a salmon fillet on the Weber Kettle. It's going to be hot, fast, delicious, yummy. Oh, I can't wait. Hit that like, subscribe button, smash it please, turn on notifications. Thanks a lot guys. Alright guys, so I got this salmon fillet here. This is my lunch. I can't wait. I am starving. But anyway, all I'm doing is I'm just doing a little rub on it. That's it. That's all it needs. You can get fancy, go ahead. Use your favorite seasoning. Today I'm doing this Havana Mojo by Major Flavor Seasonings. This stuff is gold. And I'm just gonna go on it nice, and that's it. I'm just gonna hit the skin side. Most of the stuff is gonna fall off and not stick, but you know what, that's okay, because the stuff that does is going to be the bonus. All right, so we're just going to put this on a nice hot grill. It's going to be hot and clean. That is the key when you're doing fish fillets. Hot, clean, greased. You want it nice. You don't want it to stick. It's going to be really fast. Stay tuned. All right, guys. So as you can see, I just threw my salmon on the grill. Made sure this was nice and clean and hot. This was at about 525. I'm just gonna let it go for a couple minutes. Alright guys, you can see it's cooking nice and hot. In a couple minutes. Now, I'm just gonna flip it like a minute. Ooh, that skin is nice and crisp. All right. So anyway, I'm just gonna let this go for like a minute. That's it. 1, 2, 3. All right, guys. Our salmon's off the grill. I'm about to dig into this right now. This is gonna be so good. Look at that. Home run. That's it, guys. Beautiful.